What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are having a comparison between Tribit StormBox Pro and JBL Charge 5. I have already done a full detailed video review on both of these Bluetooth speakers. Link for them are available in the video description. And in near future I'll be also comparing them both speakers with all new or old speakers which I get my hands onto. So if you got any other requests, please write it in comment section down below too. Now let's not waste too much of time and straight away jump into by looking into the features offered by StormBox Pro. Here we have all the features briefly mentioned around the packaging for StormBox Pro, starting with the IP67 water rating, Bluetooth version 5.0, stereo and a party boost pairing option, as well as a stereo sound with the 2.1 output. Altogether total power of 50 watts, where 25 watt is the subwoofer and two transducers side by side 7.5 watt each. It's a 360-degree surround sound with the long battery life up to 24 hours of play time. Not that bad at all. Also support Qualcomm aptX, which means low latency for sure. And honestly, from the side of design, you can only praise about this Bluetooth speaker. The output of 360 degrees is fantastic. Controlling this speaker is easy and straightforward. Also provide you bass boost option, support of USB-C type charging port and a USB-A out to charge up your smartphone devices. Does not have a support for 3.5mm auxiliary port. Fully fabric design with the tiny Tribit logo in the front and a rubber handle on the top makes this speaker suitable for indoors and outdoors. Well, now let's talk about the Charge 5, which is kind of newly released by JBL. Come with the Bluetooth version 5.1 with the playtime of 20 hours. Also come with the IP67 water rating with the power bank feature and also JBL party boost. So any JBL speaker which support party boost, you can connect them in a true wireless stereo or a party mode straight away. And honestly speaking, from the design and build quality point of view, you can have a much more confident around JBL. Come with the two passive radiators side to side, one subwoofer and one tweeter in the middle. All together deliver about 40 watt of output. All the controlling button on the top are very much user friendly. No access towards the equalizer or any bass boost option at all. Over on the back of the speaker you have access for USB-C, which is for charging, USB-A output port for charging your smartphone devices. No access towards any 3.5mm auxiliary port, like this is what you normally expect from JBL Charge series. Now there's another thing I like to mention in here, that JBL Charge 5 is a mono Bluetooth speaker, whereas Tribit StormBox Pro is actually stereo 2.1, which is not that bad for the price you are paying. Well, now it's time to go ahead with the audio output performance, where I will be playing some royalty-free music, which will be consist over the range of frequencies, and both speakers will be placed on the same volume as well to give you a better idea that how bassy response can be. Well, here we are in the end of this video, and now you can share your thoughts that what you think, which one is the winner. Is it JBL Charge 5 or Tribit StormBox Pro? Now, to be honest with you, without any doubt, my vote will be going for the JBL Charge 5. The reason is very much simple. First of all, the build quality is fantastic, no doubt whatsoever. The best thing about JBL Charge 5 is that whatever volume range you go for, the bass is always there actually, guys. That is the best thing actually. You don't need to tweak anything. You do not need to go into any equalizer settings. Everything is right there straight out of the speaker. And that is what you are paying for it. It's a hefty amount of price of £160. Whereas if I'm looking into the Tribit StormBox Pro, I have to say a few things actually here. It is a fantastic Bluetooth speaker, no doubt whatsoever. From the design side, they have done a really great job. The output is fantastic actually. It's a high fidelity sound. Whereas the bass is lacking. You can actually feel the real bass coming out of this speaker when your volume is above 75. That's what I haven't noticed. But for the price you are paying, this is a fantastic choice, to be honest with you. Come with the stereo output, whereas Charge 5 is a mono. But guys, honestly speaking, even though being mono, it is a fantastic speaker for sure. The bass output is solid. I have to say that the Tribit have to do a little bit hard actually to come up with another speaker with a bit of concentration over the a bass availability of the bass at the lower volumes too. On JBL Charge 5, you feel the bass at a 50% volume or 25% if you want to. Whereas on Tribit, it only starts from 75. That is the only thing which I think Tribit is on lacking. But other than that, it's a fantastic Bluetooth speaker. If you have a budget, go for JBL. If you don't have a budget, this is a fantastic Bluetooth speaker. All the specifications are comparable with JBL. Solid Bluetooth speaker. Doesn't feel cheap at all, to be honest with you. Now, if you have any more questions, you can obviously use the comment section down below. Let me know what you would like to know about the both speakers, or you want me to compare with any other speakers. That'll be all, guys, from my side, and I will be having a couple of more speakers in future as well. So if you are interested in them, hit the like and subscribe button. See ya then, guys. Bye for now.